Welcome to 50 Words to Avoid in Professional Communication, Part 5. In this series, I give you 5 words or phrases to avoid using in your writing so that you sound more clear, concise, correct, and consistent with your voice and brand, and so you don't sound wordy like this. In an effort to help the victims of the ice storm, we are in need of donations of coats, warm clothes, and water. We hope to help more than 100 families. You are welcome to drop them off at the stadium. The parking fee is not applicable to those donating items. All right, so number 21 in this list, in an effort to, this is a very bloated phrase, the cameras were installed in an effort to reduce crime. You can just use the word to. The cameras were installed to reduce crime. In an effort to, it doesn't add anything to it, other than words. Number 22. Are in need of. We are in need of more jackets. Now, if you're using the phrase are in need of, you are in need of using fewer words. There's just no need to use that word. You can literally use just the word need. We need more jackets. So not are in need of, flip that around and we need more jackets. Number 23, are welcome to. You are welcome to order online. Now, I'll say if you use like a Grammarly or some type of writing software or assistant, I feel like those overcompensate often to try to help you to sound more kind and friendly. But in doing so, they use bloated phrases like are welcome to. I feel like the word may, you may order online, still has a very pleasing tone to it and is letting the person know, hey, you can do this. You may order online. Number 24. Is applicable to. The fee is applicable to new residents. So this is interesting because one of the things that I teach in the digital course that I have on written professional communication is to try to get words to their infinitive, which just simply means it's the most simple, basic form of the verb. So, and you have to run, to go, to drive. And sometimes what we do is we use phrases like this. It is applicable to, and if you, instead of using the verb is, use applicable, kick that to its verb form, and you have it applies to. So instead of the fee is applicable to new residents, flip this around, use apply as the verb here, and say the fee applies to new residents, and you'll get that in less words. Number 25, more than. Our office received more than 25 calls regarding the issue. Instead of more than, you can always use one word that is shorter, over. Our office received over 25 calls about the issue. Now, using these words, your paragraph would read like this. To help the ice storm victims, we need donations of coats, warm clothes, and water. We hope to help over 100 families. You may drop the items off at the stadium. The parking fee doesn't apply when donating items. So I hope that's a help to you. And thank you for joining us in this episode. I look forward to seeing you in the next of 50 Words to Avoid in Professional Communication.